Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be another routine video. So this is going to be showing you guys how I bring my hair back to life, rejuvenate it, style it when it's in such a severe state. My hair wasn't necessarily the dirtiest, but it was so tangled and matted up from me not styling it, not combing it, not doing anything to it that it was basically a big whole dreadlock. So I'm just going to show you my washing process, my detangling, and my styling process, and why I do what I do to retain my length and to keep it healthy. So it might seem like a very simple routine, but that is the whole point. That is the secret. That's the magic. That is how I keep my hair, you know, in the state that it is, and how I maintain my length and how I keep it growing. Let's get into this video and I will show you all the steps that I go through to bring my hair back to life. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm starting from very dry, tangled, matted up hair. My head is sore from just not being able to reach my scalp. There's no way I'm getting my fingers or a comb through this, and it's a complete disaster. My hair is dreading up in the back, and at this point I'm like, what do I do to my hair that is going to be quick and easy and efficient? So this is going to be the whole process. So as you can see, the back is starting to, you know, tangle up in a way that I cannot just comb through, and it is just a huge nest. So the first thing we have to do is wash it, get some water through this hair so it can naturally loosen up. So I'm just sectioning my hair in the parts that I'm going to wash. I know people like to wash their hair in smaller sections, so do what works for you. I only wash in 2 parts, if I'm being honest. That's just me. But do what works for you, section it how you need to, and then we'll get into what we're doing. Okay, so first things first, we need to wash this hair. So I am going to shampoo my hair using products that are specifically formulated for all my hair needs. That is the #1 goal when you are shopping for products. You want to make sure that you're targeting your hair goals, your hair problems, and that's why I'm using Function of Beauty today. I was able to explain my exact hair type in detail and choose all of my hair goals and design the color and the scent of these products, so then I knew that it was going to work for everything I wanted and that I was going to fix the problems that I have. So you have to make sure that when you're shopping, you are shopping for your needs and not just because that's the first thing you see or that you've heard it's great. You want to make sure that it is giving you exactly what your hair is looking for. For my hair specifically, I was able to choose that it was curly, coarse, and normal scalp. I chose to target the goals of getting curl definition, deep conditioning, hydrating, lengthening, and strengthening, and I was able to choose the fragrance, which was lavender, and how strong I wanted it to be. So I was able to pick the very last details of what is going into my hair, and the nice thing about being able to do this is that you can also ensure that the ingredients are good, they're clean, and they're healthy for your hair and skin. Having such dry hair, it is so important for me that I'm not wasting my time and money on products that are going to dry my hair out even more. So the fact that I was able to target that specifically changed everything. The shampoo was so hydrating and the conditioner has so much slip, and I was able to work it through my hair easily, as you can see here, without even using a comb, and it's giving me the curl definition that I also asked for. I will leave all the details down below, and you can click the link to get 20% off your first order on functionofbeauty.com, and you can take your very own hair quiz and get products that are specifically formulated and customized for you to reach your hair goals. You guys can check that out down below, and let's continue this process. So I am conditioning my hair, separating with my fingers, and obviously, like I said, I like to use a conditioner that has a lot of slip to it, so then I don't have to use any sort of aggressive detangling, and I'm just working it through, making sure everything is nicely coated, letting it sit for a few minutes, and then I go ahead and wash out the conditioner. And now we're back. So my hair is freshly washed, looking a little crazy, but this is the point where it is so crucial. Besides cleaning your hair properly and getting all the buildup out so you can actually, you know, allow your hair to receive new product, you need to use a water-based light product first, in my opinion, and then work up to heavier products. So I'm starting off with the Function of Beauty leave-in that was customized for my hair, and then I am going in with a heavier cream, like a butter or anything that you prefer, and then I seal with an oil. So here I am adding the product and then detangling with a wide tooth comb. You can use your hands if you'd like to. I only detangle with the comb because I need it to be smooth, so then I can braid it and let it dry and let it stretch, and I have no issues with my hair getting tangled up up again like it was in the beginning. So you can see I'm just tying it up into this low pigtail, and then I'm going to go ahead and braid it into a nice smooth detangled braid, and it is going to dry this way. This is key when it comes to making sure that my hair retains length. This is how low manipulation I'm talking about. I am doing my hair in 2 braids and that's it. It is gonna dry this way. It's gonna sit like this for a few days. It's gonna stay moisturized and detangled, and I'm not going to touch it until it is dry and it's ready for the next styling process, which will be just as simple as this. So to make it look a little cute, we will, you know, switch it up a little bit and style it so I can wear it outside. But for the most part, this is the kind of styling I do. I wash, detangle, I moisturize very, very well, enough for it to last a few days, and then I just leave it alone. You can see the side is shrinking up a little more because I didn't get to work on it right away. But as you can see, it is super moisturized, it's shining, it's soft, and it's bouncy. And this is when you want to add your product, seal it away, and leave it alone. So I'm doing the same thing on this side. I am using my leave-in conditioner, sealing with a butter, and sealing with an oil as well. So those are my key things. I use the LCO method. If you're not sure what that is, I will leave it right here, and you guys can, you know, try that out. So that is my process. I make sure it's moisturized, it's sealed, it's braided, and tangle free. So yeah, that's basically it. You want to make sure you are giving your hair the nutrients and the things it needs, and then you are leaving it alone so it can do its thing. So now that my hair is pulled back, I'm just going to make it look a little cute so I can actually go out. So I'm going to just brush my edges, put a little bit of gel on my edges, not too much because it's freshly washed. And then I'm just going to style it a little bit so, you know, when I go out, I don't look like I'm 6. So I'm just brushing in the gel just a little bit so I can smooth out the front. And then since my hair was too short to create a nice little bun with these braids, I actually went ahead and added some extensions. You don't need to do this. You can just pin your hair back if you want, but this is just the style I chose to do on wash day because there isn't much you can do on wash day unless you blow dry your hair. So while it's drying, I just added some extension into the braid, twisted it up into a cute little bun, created these little, you know, mini buns on the side of my head, and I'm good to go. My hair will dry this way, and when I take it out, it'll still be soft. So later on in the day, you can also remove the extension and re-braid it normally and let your hair dry on its own. It's up to you, but this is a nice easy style you can do when your hair is still wet and you don't want to, you know, ruin the process of everything you just did. So my hair is sleek, it's clean, it's done. And that's it, guys. I moisturized my hair, I cleaned it very well, I hydrated and sealed it, and now it is drying peacefully and left alone. So that is my whole routine for a simple and efficient wash day. Alright, so that's it. That is it for this video. I know it was very simple, but I hope you guys caught some of the key points that I mentioned and that it makes your natural hairstyling process a little bit easier and that you're able to, you know, work on your journey to retaining length a little bit more. So comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see in the future, and I'll definitely try to make those videos. Thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, if you're at the end of this video and you haven't subscribed. Confused. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.